Hey Justin, my name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Armour Lawn Care. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Justin, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy tap plan of things that they can do to impact the business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio, and can you please do this for me? So by the end of the video, you liked what you heard. You can see your skills out to help your business grow and land more customers. You can shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free tap plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I want to go over is your content. So throughout your homepage, aka your landing page, aka homepage, you need at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. But I found your site has about 179 words currently. In comparison to your competitor, we'll be going over Ryan's Lawn Care, and they have about 200 words for the keyword-rich content. Now, this is very readable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. Every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So as you can see, when I pull up your website in this tool called Ahrefs, this is a tool that shows what your site's actually ranking for. And your site is dense with this. You have two backlinks, one referring to main, and you have zero keywords. Now, that's totally fine. Everything is doable in due time. Now, let's take a look at your competitor, Ryan's Lawn Care. You can see that they have pretty well marketing going on. So, when I click on their organic keywords, you're going to see that they're ranking. Oh, let me log back in. My bad. Oh, all right. Well, you can see that he has these keywords. He's ranking in the first position. So going a little more in depth on what all this means. So a keyword is what's going inside your content, and this is how you get backlinks. You put these keywords inside your content and you link it to other websites. That's further on. But we want to focus on volume, KD, not really cost per click. That's for ads, traffic, and position. So once you're in the first position for a keyword, you'll be getting at least half of the search volume. So since this guy has 2,700 search volume for Ryan's lawn and tree, you can see he's getting about 2,000 of it, or 1,932 to be specific. And to rank this keyword, which is right here, KD, it's a 2, 5, 14, going down. So in order for your website to be ranked, you want at least some low KD on your homepage so you can get some traffic flow through it. You want to stay between 1 and 5 when you're first starting out so we can get that up and running. You want to be in the first position so you can get the most traffic out of anyone else ranking for the same keyword you will be ranking for. So moving on to the next optimization section is the second most important thing I'd like to talk about. We call this thing the Google Map Pack Maps. So you can see promo lawn. Let's just go view all. You got the ads in the top. You got the promo lawn being first, lawn starter, lawn care service, and JS Lawn Care KC. Now this is all because I searched in lawn care Kansas City. So now you're probably asking, hey, how to rank in maps? Well, ranking or getting your ratings up, that's definitely going to help you. But another way you can do it on the back side is you pull up this tool called YSpark, and inside of YSpark there's another tool called Local Citation Finder. So I already searched your website, and you have Facebook being in yellow pages. Now it says you have 10 citation sources, but these 3 are the credible ones that's ranking you in the Google Map Pack. Now we can see your site has this many, right? So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you submit them. We call them NAPs because inside the Google Map Pack, you have a name, address, and a phone number, aka NAPs. So the third thing I'd like to cover with you is another important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So you see when you go back to the lawn care, you go back to organic listings, you see the ads at the top. But when you scroll down, you can see lawnlove.com is one, Benjamin Lawn is a second, customlawn.com is a third. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, some people it works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So, for example, if you have a relative site, say a Benjamin Lawn linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So, going back to Ahrefs, you can see you have two backlinks. So let's go ahead and look at those, or two of them, one of them credible. And this is at landscaping at the blog spot. So when you go over to your competitor, you can see he has, let's go back to backlinks. You can see he has these backlinks. Now this is a little bit of link juice, but we can definitely get yours up there with him. So this is Ahrefs, right? If you're looking to use this tool, it's about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice that sites may have to offer. And here we have your competitor's link juice. So looking down below, you can see every single link that is linking back to his site. And you can take every single link and make them your own. So once again, we go over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words for the keywords. Your citations, you need at least double, triple the amount would be nice, so you can definitely beat out the competition. And your link juice. You need more organic links pointing to you guys to show Google your authority. But if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one, Justin.